every reason not to like me. Remember, me not come for keep loyalty on an app where the devil's playground. Me see you rise out of your humbleness, and me see everybody up down upon you to the point where Ramesh carry close and live come gift to you.
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye y'all.
So, when you feel like you are the shit, use Able Boss for example, or Brittany. Just for me example. When they believe say them are the shit, una not the shit. Una little bit uncommon. Yeah, it's a form of idolatry. So when you see, World Dog, them will never grant the privilege. It best Winsome Roberts grant the privilege to say, she unfollow me or she unfollow me. But World Dog, them will never grant that privilege to state that they are going to unfollow me. You know why? Because number one, I not take them from my program. I not ever take them from my program. I can live without them. I can live without them. I can run a program without them. I can stand on my own without them. Some people will never get the chance to disrespect me. You see, you can disrespect me all you want, you know, because I don't know you, so it wouldn't be a disrespect towards me. It would just be a disrespect that is nullified. It is without regards. You get what me I said? But you see, when time you're close to me and you have this to say about me, whether it's true or false, I grant you such privilege. So yes, me can call it a this because I've given you such privilege. But someone will never get the chance to disrespect me, Keith Shebada Ramsey, because you're beneath me. No, for real. First thing first, I'm not a podium groupie. So a boy, the number one for 6 years, me not have to play a match with him. Me not play a match with him. Me not want such sort of attention. You understand me? Me not want them there. Me not want them there. So me good in my own. Me good. Me comfortable. You started very humbly on Jayden. And now you make a World Dog a pass in place. Everybody who has ever got number one, them and World Dog catch up. Them and World Dog catch up, and people always blame Britney for expressing her truth. While World Dog, you understand me, silently display the same behavior as Britney and as Rosalie. So me not understand how you, me not know how and when you get involved with all of them. Me not understand how and when people on the internet bias, you know. People on the internet bias. And bias are one of the things we get ranked as comfortable. Biasness. You see, when them say, why you always do this? They find comfort in that. Not telling themselves the truth. Say, all not talk a true, me have dirty ways, you know. Honestly, me never have to say so. God believe me never have to say so. But me just feel for go overboard. Which it not sit well with everybody, and I know me feel bad about it. No, it's true. All of them. So we're not talking about Brittany and not talking about Brittany express herself. She's telling the truth. She says she not like them. She just don't like them. She can't see nothing good that come from them. She just can't. She not allow herself. She have dirty ways. She make you know say she have dirty ways. And that is just the truth. But all of these people, it was 2 minutes ago, World Dog encouraged Jayden. And in the same mode we encourage him and the same mode unfollow him. Why you encourage me for unfollow me? You come like the Christian people in, we try to save me, for badger me. Jayden, you know how much time them group up against me? Jayden, you know how many times them group up against me? Yeah, talk about you even know them group against me. They don't like me, Jayden, and I don't blame them because I give them every reason not to like me. Remember, me not come for keep loyalty on an app where the devil's playground. Me see you rise out of your humbleness, and me see everybody up down upon you to the point where Ramesh carry close and live come give to you, all because of a situation that they believe you're having. I never see something about me so yet. Jayden, it hurt me to my heart. I tell you, say, I whole heap of time my class in my mind. A whole heap of time I rub it out in my mind. But me tell you, Jayden, me supposed to class your nastiness, you know. Me supposed to rub you out. Cause when me I say you, everybody now look at you. Me supposed to rub you out. Me supposed to ring you out now. You try to make yourself friendly with every one of them who don't care about you. You say if you don't play with the destiny, the ticky and the bombs, I wouldn't feel bad. You know why? They don't give one rat's a shit how you want to feel. You know, they don't care about you. They just care about if they might win the match. Every one of them has to care about your position. Your position. From World I get the lion them from Nikki and say, yes, I'm in the big league. Me laughing at myself. When me see World I go up. Me just give up on education here, man. What I say? Don't summer proud. 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 Yeah. I must learn, I will learn. Please to pay your student loan. Yeah. Back at the class, you know me got this, you know. Me got class the whole on upon this and block the whole on upon this and just sit and do life by myself. I mean, no want nobody come for my life. Me don't want nobody come for my life. And them life, they gonna start run. Jess, wicked Jess, you rich. Yeah. CXC come up. You know me eat here, you name off the ear for the come. Like you say CXC.com. One to you. I like the glasses. I eat the dresser where you have in your house. It favor the bad man where in a blinger's house with them call cabinet. Or you like my glasses. You walk on like things from people too much. Yeah, Jayden, let me give you one little story about me. Yes, when I come in a theater, Jayden, I'm going to tell you the truth. Nobody in a theater not like me up to Top Chef, thanks to the UFO. The name of wheel in a UFO. Top Chef, them have wheel in a UFO. If Top Chef ever make my class, Top Chef, you make my class, you're nasty, you know. Top Chef, come here. You know me not play with people though. Top chef. And I me I run them serious joke here with. And I me I try disrespect. Don't tell me say the tax return money you give me already. Don't tell me say the tax return money you give me my share already. You know say you prank me. You prank me. Oh, them say tax return now go come in. Oh, them say now. See this already? Alright, your tax return come early though. Thank you. Thank you very much. I laugh till a week. Move your dirty bro, you laugh. Where you laugh for? Where you laugh for? You laugh till a week. Why? You don't take your vitamins and you're there home. Come here, you know, so we have no working until night. Me and you know, say I pay a night nurse them car, but we just night sick. Night sickness we take care of it, we bandage it, so we do all sort of something to it. At April, the Shebada, them time the TikTok lock ask your own early. You know, see, America fight over TikTok. I never know say TikTok and me. Now back to the matter and now Jayden. Before I was rudely interrupted. Jayden, let me tell you something about me in a theater. It's when them just come in a theater. Nobody not like me. Nobody not like me. You think I like me, I tell? Nobody. Can remember everybody up here, so. Sorry, I just come and me down here, so. You think I make that get to me? Jayden, me never know when me up here, so, you know. Because I know me not reach up there. All I know, people see me up there, so. You see, everybody who never like me, them work with me only to make $1. Jayden, me in a production with Delcita, and me and nobody on the production attack. And me do the show like the wall away tight. Me and nobody not talk. Me miss them, me vex, me sad, it show me off my game. Never yet. Delcita tell Ronnie, the man in the driver, say, don't give me no lines. Make me come off of the stage, lock off for me. You see, because me and nobody no friend, and me now look no validation from nobody because Jesus said me go somewhere. You see, when me touch the stage, Jayden, and the man depend, and me say, sir, look at the man. See me? He wasn't giving me any energy. Jayden, you know me though? This is how you use a user. The time the man stand up there so like a broken statue of liberty. Me like it. Me turn him in a props. I saw you get 2,500. I saw that scene they come in. Not no go so in the show. Not no go so in the show. Not even the phone call when you say your tongue big like me showing from this or the show mash up. And my script me bring in because guess what? I started on my own. Me no need nobody to honest me. You never know. I came on business for the king. So when you say hype and you say this and you say that and you tell the actors to lock off on me, are the best thing for me and the worst for you because they can never do that to me. All the grown girl depend. Kid, come, just go on, cause your sister them not arguing the line. She attack under her birth. Me not pay she no mind. And people give she link. You understand me? I'm a friend still in but me just have the talk. And people give she link. God send me. So when you lock off, me I make a door out of nowhere. Me I make a window out of a solid place. So no roadblock can stand up in front of what God upload. You never know. So when you see me say me like you, Jayden, and people say why you like Jayden, and me say I cannot tell you but I like him. And things like these me like you for, but you not learn. Because God give you many roadblocks for you to make a door. And you know what you do? You joke out your doors. You joke out your windows. A pay crap you have. So when you have all of these people who are bright with you about they unfollow you, did you ask them to follow you in the first place? For them to come back and say them unfollow you? If World Dog can unfollow Isaac, I never follow Isaac, sorry. Why you think he's going to follow you? They are all there for your fame. They are glory stealer. You see, my ear changes 22 says something. And I strongly believe that she don't understand the core of what she's talking about. She said, people will swap your destiny. When I talk the donkey on the internet, we're in their dinner dress, the prom dress. You understand me? People will swap your destiny. And you see, when I come on the live, I'm telling you, say, when RT boss can come to me and say, you know, you antisocial, it shows how great of a deal God has enough of them people here. Where them say one and we and I wonder how you stay so when you're not supposed to stay so. If you understand what I'm trying to say. When we say come from among them, be ye separated and touch not the unclean things. When I don't understand what I'm talking, when I say, me always a trouble people, me always a throw, yeah, my sweet baby, me always a throw word from people, and me always a this, but me always a tell somebody something. It might not be for you, but it doesn't mean that it's not for her or for him. It might not be for you. Yeah, destiny stealer. Ladies and gentlemen, I see mudfish come around me. And years ago, I'm going to tell you how long when I started, Shebada come to town. Just after Bashment Granny, I look for mudfish and say, you and I won't be friends forever. And it hurt mudfish up to the day me and him is no longer friends. No, so I say that to say this in the words of Pamputing. Mudfish come around me and when mudfish stand up, people say, what are we in a favor? What are we in a this? What are we in a that? What are we in a this? What are we in that? Mudfish turn back with them, say, I think I should be. I see a lot of persons come around me. You have to know who you be. It doesn't matter if you suck out liquor, but you drink come damn shit. You have to know who you be. You can be the vilest of man. You can be a pedophile. You can be a caucus. You have to know who you be. Having certain form of image that the world look at. It's not you. You have to know who you be on the inside. Because you see who you are on the inside can tell to others around you on the outside. Let me say this to you. Jayden, me no want last one in a way me I try to say. But you understand me? You have to be careful how you make people come and pinch off piece of you like weed. You have to make people, you have to be careful how people tear you like grabber. You have to be careful how people beg you like rizzler. You have to be careful how people bury you like lighter. You just have to be careful. And you see, say, it happen. But you, Jayden, on the other hand, you have to take some form of accountability. You not like when people tell you the truth because you're careless. When nobody tell you the truth, you're vexed with them. You say because you're a careless individual, you're a liar individual, and you're a thief, you just don't like when people hold you accountable. And that is the problem. That is your problem, Jayden. No one else's but yours. You see? The funny part about life is that all of these people use your same game and beat you. All of these people use your same game and beat it. And me talk to you go. Jayden, me talk to you come. Jayden, me tell you say, nobody no rate you, you know. You couldn't believe me say, nobody do rate you. Nobody no rate you, no. When me tell you no say, you buy into people so much that you give them what they want. It is so easy for them to access Uno. And that's the problem. You see, because all of Uno want to be popular, they give it to Uno to control Uno. It's a level of control, you know. Hype is a level of control. Raja. I don't know if I say so. I hear say a man slice out your baby. I don't know. Remember the policeman, the soldier man did beat you. Remember the soldier man did beat you because they catch you with a man. I don't know. And you come and tell people about nobody not play nobody with the knife. Nobody not play nobody with the knife. Because I not ramp with nobody with the knife and nobody can ramp with me the knife. You understand me? So I don't know how no friendly and idle stuff a year man cut out the whole of your baby. Then suppose they do your body, go see where I pick up silicone. Just see where I pick up silicone and walk with. So your man just vex and him slice and not report him. But Roger, you're at girl. You're at girl. Yeah, then I don't have nothing for your nastiness, my sister. Then Roger, the boy they will slice out your belly, you know. I don't want him because he could ramp with me the knife, come with the acid him and say I play. He could ramp with me the knife unless you have bad up yourself. Then you didn't want to beat up Romisha, man slice. Man guts my sister. Man guts the fish. Then you didn't want to beat up the whole of Romishka. The internet, too cute, too sweet, Mom, too cute, too sweet. How you doing? I have a problem. Then I open laughing emoji. I also careless I walk up in laughing emoji. Martin, I must you. I say a little bit and careless. They up in laughing emoji. No, a dirty Michelle, Martin, everything you get blamed for. A dirty Michelle, nasty Michelle. Michelle with the boy them drug for me, I start to over this, so and go home with me. I'm a big old friend. I'm a big old friend and you unpin it quick. Then I own him, so Michelle explain it why you pin it. Come Michelle, you get caught red-handed. You get caught red-handed, talk to me like lovers do. Come nurse, too cute, too sweet, thank you. Yeah. My hand catch it, your hand not catch things because your hand is not my all. Your hand is not my all. Dirty Michelle, one bit. Michelle, you know why me a class, you know. Hey Michelle, with this up your nastiness, you know. Oh. Yeah. Big one. Then Michelle come in home, me never swing and talk about Roger man cut out her belly. Me never swing and talk about that nurse. Nurse come in and talk about that and me always talk the things them. Come in and talk about them somebody. I saw here Roger man cut out her belly. I'm a sister laughing emoji. Who am a sister? Who am a sister? Who is it? Then look here, more everybody come off for Jayden. Come off for Jayden now. Come and read one comment and somebody and then the comment about I say about me tell you say Shebada can't team. I'm gonna come suck out the last part of my hole and leave a icky on the corner, yeah. So at that I want to do. Mark on the territory when on the motor move from underneath me. I want to do that. Oh, you mean me can't be me not loyal? Me tell you say I come for be loyal to Jayden. Me say Jayden is a little boy me like for free, and him want can tell what he like on the internet and take people money. So through me like him, me can't talk say what I do wrong. Alright, them have to pick up for Jayden all day long. Come suck out the deepest part of my belly button. Come nyam nyam up my hole. And the girl will leave the comment you have a wooden clit. Remember say underneath in a real. You walk with a wooden clit. Me never tell none of you say I come a fight for, I come a search for my siblings on the internet. Me they tell you say I come for the lost and found. Me they tell you none of you say I come for keep dead. What a weird world dog and follow Jayden. Lord, my man Jayden fall up like lettuce and cauliflower. Me don't know. Me don't know the girl with the wooden clit. And she me talk to. Yeah, and she me talk to my love. Yeah, him unfollow. Yeah, so come here now. Wouldn't click me so argue with you. Come here. And world dog a real dog shitty. World dog a real batty boy. Real batty boy. You're not play batty boy. But you see we can't fight that because I you that. But you see Jayden a good for you, nasty Jayden, a good for you. When me did I tell you, everything when me did I tell you, Jayden, you make it fly through one ears and come through the next. I don't care how the internet want beat. Them for beat you. Yeah. Them for beat you. Them for beat you bitterly. A lot of persons state and don't walk and read the comment them will say Shebada bad mind, nobody no over him life like me did a look crowd that me I keep church. Eh? You know say every one of them, me see you on King Donia do one video on King Donia's. I say them talk say me about him man and King Donia say but the world know that. You know? You make it fly over your head at peace, but them for this I can't say no better because you do the same thing to people too. Them for this, you have power. You notice all the choice of words that me use. Okay, pull it up. When me I tell you say, Jayden, them a plan for you. Jayden, down to triple, down to miss triple, down to that evil witch. When me say Jayden, them on to you. No, you never, they didn't move your stinking self and go away. It burn me face, it burn me to me, I go like me care. It burn me feel for true. Can I like it for true? I like it. Sometimes I want to cuss in a Jayden, God knows. Sometimes I just want to rub it. Jayden I want to put in a pan with water and scrub, yo. For true, you know, honesty to God. Best friend, what's in your fridge? The same thing when your whole bacteria. But best friend, what's in your fridge? Anything when you hole in my fridge, anything back and tear and rah. Right. Me know where you're from nowhere. Where me know you're from? Where me know you're from? But best friend. You could have just wake up out of one cemetery and I called Maryland. I owe you and I'm say this. I owe you, Maryland, you come from where your name again? Good as come, I don't want to get it wrong, you know. Where your name? And I say this, move your dirty blood finger, boy, yes. You're quick for jump up, yes, because I don't know nobody in Maryland named Marcia. You're too lie. You're too lie. Where? Right. Boy, yeah. Quickly I jump up and say, yeah. Boy, yeah. Yeah. Like you look apology. Come tear out my hole with your front teeth. Come tear out the assault, the left side with your front teeth. yeah, some why hear it. So, some why you say, but best friend, what's in your fridge? Right. Top chef, what going to wall? Call my best friend when you get your tax return. I didn't tell me if a best friend, me right? I don't want a friend. I want a friend from your way. Tax return where I work on. Outside. Back to Jayden and world dog. Yeah. Jayden, now you see how wicked them be. Blow, top chef. Woo! Top chef. You make my nipple them stiff. Woo! No, Jesus. Well, on the top chef. Looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so interstellar. No man. Top chef, it make my breast them jump out of my brassiere throne of my size. Back it up, back it up. What I don't think I call to you while I got top chef, because if I never call to you, I wouldn't know that interstellar is in my voice. I wouldn't know top chef, if I feel like me, I want to sweep. Hold on the people. No man, money make you go work. From morning I get up and lazy. I didn't even know what I was going to eat. But God is a provider. Then home for one go back favorites. And TikTok my lucky yet. Well, and the people me I come, me get money so me for work. Nurse should have there for me send I down a Western Union, you know. I do want TikTok shot with this. Oh, because the Chinese people, them no ramping, them worse than the Africans. Them take back all with them, no say. You saw them eyes squinch. I fire them, I look here now. Woo. Yes, mate. Yes, stop. Whoa, money gone, blood. Oh, I'm not going to sweep some more. I'm going to move my blood finger this. Well, I there's some dirt in there right here, so. Because it come like I saw the breeze start. Top chef, no man, you out of order them something I make girl up. Mine only make Rosalie up here, me. Mine, because Rosalie, she said the apple lock and the days them ago. Woo. Rosalie, this is what you do. Sweep out your house, sweep out the bad blessing and welcome good blessing. Woo. Father, destiny must vex you now. Come in here, say, I trust the dress. Okay, you're not provoke me, no man. It's also that. It's also the child trust the dress. Wouldn't that do it to me? Which one I'm say so? Left or right? The bad not that. So come on. She be bless me now. But now this says she come from Maryland. Here come and send my money gun like you want to friend me up. Eh? You still not know where in my fridge. You still, are you a spy? Are you a FBI? Me just want to ask you. Me a bleach, me can't open up. Me just plug in the fridge a water bottle in the fridge. Nothing in the fridge, so if you can't contribute, like want to contribute to Miss Donna, then what can I mix up Miss Donna in a now? Me if people call her Miss Donna, they want to leave her. I'm a friend now, I'm a new friend. Leave her. Leave Miss Donna. Then Romish turn Christian, Miss Donna? Romish turn Christian? So many years Romish baptized. Oh Jesus, I wonder if I true. But the glasses there, the sun come back up. I wonder if I true. I saw me here, somebody called Rebel Femina. I want to ask Rebel if Romish baptized. Because if Romish baptized, I must walk up to the man one day, that upside down carrot man, and I go say, Romish, I apologize. Believe me, I do. I apologize. I honest and true. Because I know I was right. And so I'll sing you this song. No, for sure. Me that feel so proud of him. I would give him an award. Me don't know where me ever get it from. But me have again. No, but art. Art. Yeah, back to the Jayden and Rosalie. So Jayden, you know, sister, world dog no mean none of no good. I wonder if people really realize what I did I say when I say they watch whoever I come up on the app and draw to them. This not feel like we're world dog the Britney, not giving world dog any clout or shine now, you know. But I'm just stating. You see, a lot of times I say the things them and the whole I want to try on the very best to sweet Elvis way. But guess what? You see the funny part about life is this. God have my back. See, no matter how no open on the mouth, you wanna put the mouth and go on, God have my back. I see because God have my back, me now go tell no lie. Me can firmly stand up and tell you how me truly feel. The same way you have a feeling towards me, and then must respect your view. She be oh you go like a so-called dog. So if I saw you see my baby because I saw me sell you me. I saw me selling me. So if you say, oh, I go like a so-called dog, so I said, don't do that. Don't play the nature where I farm in my mouth. Because just by saying so-called, you know what can go. You know what can Don't get my mouth started. Don't rub butter a puss mouth. You understand me? So, you see, for sure. But anyways, Jayden, know you see what me I say. Don't know you see what I'm saying. This is their plan. None of them no mean you no good. None of them. They don't like you. The funny part about life, you know. You see, Jayden, let me give you one little story. Let me give you one little story. See if I didn't remember the consonants and vowels. You know the word story, I would spell it for you. Store. And that's the problem, you know. They might put up the words them too much. Because you have S-T-O-R-E. And then you have S-T-O.